Unlock the secret to irresistible connections. Dive into this script and discover powerful techniques that will elevate your conversations, foster deeper bonds, and make every interaction unforgettable. Don't just communicate, captivate. When forging deeper connections, especially with women, you want to avoid the "he's fun, but there's something missing" scenario. One of the pillars of building that bond is fostering a sense of intimacy where she feels she's sharing parts of herself with you that she doesn't usually share with others. Many times, men focus so much on making an impression that they neglect to build that authentic closeness. This connection is crucial, especially in today's digital age where one might be communicating with multiple individuals simultaneously. So, let's dive into 7 questions to strengthen that emotional connection, ensuring she looks forward to your next meeting. Firstly, let's talk about avoiding question-answer mode. This mode arises when the conversation becomes a monotonous Q&A, leading to dreaded awkward silences. Authentic connection is emotional. It's about letting one's true personality shine and resonating with the other person's essence. The pitfall of the question-answer mode is that it blocks this genuine resonance, turning the conversation into a dull exchange. So, how do you differentiate between questions that kill a conversation and those that deepen connection? For instance, if she mentions attending a Beyoncé concert, you could relate with, "I've always wondered what it'd be like to be as famous as Beyoncé. When I was younger, I daydreamed about traveling worldwide as a renowned guitarist. How about you? Ever wanted fame, and for what reason?" Here are some more connection-enhancing questions. Question 1. Your fame fantasy. If you could be renowned for one thing, what would it be? This question allows someone to explore their deeper desires and dreams. It makes them reflect on what they truly value: recognition, influence, or perhaps making an impact. You can learn a lot about the other person with this simple question. Question 2. Friendship values. What do you cherish most in a friend? Friendships are fundamental to our lives. This question delves into one's values and principles. It can help uncover what qualities they cherish the most, be it loyalty, understanding, fun, or mutual growth. Question 3. Cringe-worthy memories. Can you recall a hilariously embarrassing moment from your life? Sharing an embarrassing story requires vulnerability. It creates an environment where both parties can let their guards down. This not only humanizes them, but also fosters a deeper level of trust and openness, which can be a foundation for a closer bond. If you like this video so far, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for future videos. Question 4. Childhood recollections. What's a cherished childhood memory? Childhood memories often carry strong emotions which can be then associated with you. Recalling them can invoke feelings of nostalgia, innocence, and simpler times. This question allows someone to share a piece of their past, providing a glimpse into their upbringing and experiences that shaped them. Question 5. Dream abilities. If you could acquire any talent or skill overnight, what would it be? This question taps into desires and areas where one might feel inadequate or wish they could improve. Whether it's a skill, a trait, or even a superpower, their answer can provide insights into their aspirations or areas they might be struggling with. Question 6. Ideal dinner guest. If you could dine with anyone, past or present, who would it be? This reveals a lot about one's inspirations, curiosities, and interests. Whether they choose a celebrity, a historical figure, a family member, or even a fictional character, you get a window into who they admire or wish to understand better. Question 7. Picture perfect day. Describe your ideal day. Envisioning a perfect day taps into one's deepest desires and priorities. It's a blend of fantasy and reality that can reveal what they cherish the most. Remember, the effectiveness of these questions lies in their seamless integration into the conversation. Overusing them or forcing them in can come off as disingenuous. When engaging with these questions, strive for a balance of fun, flirtatiousness, and genuine interest. Creating this fun, flirty, intimate atmosphere is the key to genuine connection. In conclusion, merging these questions into your conversation provides a holistic approach to building a genuine connection. The amalgamation of fun, intimacy, and genuine bonding gives you the best chance to foster a lasting attraction. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments.